Hello, my name is Tony. This is my company Automotive Solutions, where we have a wonderful passion for motor cars, which translates into your cars. I hope you enjoy our video.
Here at Automotive Solutions, we take great care in every aspect of our work, from servicing and MOTs to engine rebuilds and fabrication. Our experience in the industry is vast, and there is very little we can't help you with. With over 25 years of experience, you can trust that when you bring us your vehicle, we will take every step to provide you with the best possible care and value. We have a highly skilled team, and as a result, you can be confident we will carry out all our work to the highest standards. We have the skills, the equipment, and the experience to undertake the modification and restoration of any vehicle. And we also passionately prepare race cars each and every year for the race season, both for our clients and for our own racing team. So, from the minute you arrive to the moment you leave, you will experience the friendly and courteous environment that we are proud of. So whatever your automotive problems, call Automotive Solutions.